Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all a recipe for a fruitcake sweetbread. Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned. This one is absolutely scrumptious and you would definitely want to make this Christmas or for the new year. So to start this recipe, we're going to start by creaming our butter and our sugar just like when you're making cake. Cream this until it's light and fluffy and pale in color. Next, we're going to go in with our evaporated milk, vanilla essence, or you can use almond or mixed essence if you like, pumpkin spice, and if you don't have this, you can use cinnamon, and in goes fresh coconut. I left the milk in the coconut. You don't want to squeeze out the milk, so the coconut is a little bit on the wet side. And in went my chopped fruits. Now I chopped my raisins and my cherries, and I also put in mixed peel. Once that is combined, grate in some fresh nutmeg, and we'll give that a quick mix. Now to add in the dry ingredients. So we're going to go in with our all-purpose flour and baking powder already in there and give this a mix. Now you don't want to over mix this, you just want to mix to incorporate until it comes together, and then you'll stop. You can scrape down on the sides of your bowl and make sure it's mixed in properly. And now we're going to add that secret ingredient, which is that fruit cake mixture that you use when you're making black cake. So you'd want to save some to try this recipe. So I'm just putting it, and then I'm going to marble it into that sweetbread mixture. You don't want to completely mix it because you want to be able to see the marbling effect when it's baked. Now pour it out into your grease and lined loaf pan, and I'm also going to go back on top with some more of the fruit. And now this part is totally optional if you don't want to put more fruit on the top, but it does add much more flavor. Swirl that in, and then this goes to bake at 325 degrees. It actually took me 1 hour and 15 minutes, but I suggest you all keep an eye on it at the 1 hour mark and bake until it releases from the side of the tin, and when tested with a toothpick it comes out clean. Allow to cool and then slice and enjoy. Just look how beautiful this looks on the inside. And I noticed when you chop up your raisins and your cherries, you actually get a better bite when you make your sweetbread. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.